Analysts say that Dimon must not see an imminent risk of recession or else the firm wouldn't have lifted net interest income guidance. That's the key to today's stock moves, not just to JP Morgan, but also its rate-sensitive peers like Citi, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo. JP Morgan said that NII will surpass $56 billion this year, up from prior forecasts. A tailwind for that important profitability metric is higher rates. So when asked about inflation, Dimon stressed that the Fed has to raise rates and do quantitative tightening, although he said he's not sure how they're going to do it. He just says it's something that needs to be done. There were also several questions about expenses and spending, the firm reiterating intentions to spend $77 billion this year. Dimon said he spent the whole day outlining where those expenditures are going, including the importance of technology and cyber. JP Morgan shares up 7.25% right now. Well,
quite a turnaround considering the decline that they saw in January when they last talked to investors.
Yes.
Leslie, I'm wondering what they're saying about the consumer. We heard the CEO of Wells Fargo just last week talk about the deterioration of the consumer's ability to pay. JP Morgan sounds a little bit more optimistic about how the consumer will fare.
Yes. Much more optimistic. You heard Dimon this morning talk about the strength of the consumer, the strength of the economy, largely thanks to quantitative easing, to monetary easing, to fiscal policy as well. So he said that should bode well if we do go into a recession. He also talked about the credit quality and said that a lot of their businesses are really focused on prime consumers, and therefore he's not that worried about the potential stresses in the economy and what that would mean for their risk exposure.
All right, Leslie, thank you. Leslie Picker at the JP Morgan Investor Day. Strong performance of the banks helping lift the entire market today. Stocks bouncing across the board after the Dow logged its 8th straight week of losses. Is this